Engineer Rashid, of course, nobody supports what happened to you inside the assembly, especially the BJP or anybody, in this case the BJP, taking the law into their own hands. My question is, why did you organize the beef party in an MLA hostel when, since before independence in Jammu and Kashmir, under the Ranbir Penal Code, beef consumption, beef and cow slaughter has been banned? Why are you playing with fire? Why did you hold that beef party, even though we say what happened to you today was terrible?
Ma'am, thanks. First, let me make a complaint that you all seem to be worried all about beef party. Tell me one thing. First, go and confirm. If they are saying that it was cow meat, it was not like that. It was simple beef. Number two, I have
what do
also
you mean?
asked
It was not cow meat. It was not cow meat. 1 minute. It was not cow meat.
What was it?
Allow me to finish. Allow me. I don't need to say you. It is my liberty. For God, even if it would have been cow meat, I would not have a problem. Because there is religious freedom. It is question of my fundamental rights. No court, no legislation can dictate anybody. Whether he is a Hindu or Muslim, we are all free citizens. Whatsoever somebody wants to eat, he is at liberty. So, but still, after having said that, we didn't slaughter anything inside the premises of the hostel. We didn't cook it there. We didn't use it as a dining room. It was just a loan of the MLA hostel. I also reside here. And beef was not the only dish which we served there to the people. There were some 40, 50 people. There were few journalists also. What crime I have done? For God's sake, tell me one thing. Why are you criminalizing everything? My Hindu brothers are eating something. I don't have a problem with that. And why do
you eat whatever you eat in public, in private?
Okay, Shahid Siddiqui has a question for you.
Shahid, 1 minute. It is un-Islamic.
Shahid, 1 minute. Shahid, 1 minute. 1 minute. Shahid Siddiqui, engineer, Rashid Saab, Shahid Bhai has a question for you. Shahid Siddiqui, please put your question to engineer Rashid.
Rashid bhai, you may eat whatever you want in private. I have no problem with that. I am against this kind of, forcing anything on anybody. But if you make it public, if you put up a banner saying we are having a beef party, if you announce it in the press that you are having a beef party, then you are provoking, you are insulting, and that is not Islamic. It is not Islamic to hurt the sentiments of other people.
Let him respond, then you can ask. Please respond, Engineer Rashid.
I am responding. First, Mr. Shahid Siddiqui Saab, you have to see the backdrop under which I said it. Today, the bill was to be tabled. Anti-beef bill seeking revocation on ban on beef was to be tabled in the assembly. But I came to know yesterday when they listed the bill at serial number 17, despite the fact that it was deposited at serial number 1. I and everybody else got it confirmed that the bill will be sabotaged in the assembly. What we wanted to give the message was that whether you pass the bill or not, you cannot impose your ban on us. That was the only purpose of the beef party.
But Rashid Saab, Engineer Rashid, can I ask a question? This is Barkha. Can I ask a question?
Engineer Rashid, you are not only an MLA. You are not only an MLA. You are a human being. You are a Muslim. You are a Kashmiri. This is against Kashmiriyat. You must also respect Kashmir.
What the hell you are talking?
You can protest in 100 other ways. You can protest in 100 other ways. This is not the way to protest. I protest against the protest.
Regulator down. Please don't teach me Kashmir. I don't need your sermons on that. When you are pushing us to the wall, then you have also sabotaged the
Okay, Engineer Rashid. Okay, 1 minute. 1 minute, all of you, please. Engineer Rashid, please listen to me because everybody here has a question for you, but I have a question first. My question is, जब इतने सालों से किसी ने नहीं सोचा कि ये जो रणबीर पीनल कोड में ऑलरेडी बीफ बैन है, आपको भी मालूम है मोस्ट कश्मीरीज डू नॉट इवन ईट बीफ, तो ये पॉलिटिक्स क्यों शुरू हुई है आपकी और नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस की तरफ से कि इस लॉ को बदला जाए, क्यों?
It is so tragic that you are saying it.
I am asking a question.
Ma'am, excuse me. It came only in limelight when High Court issued an order that it should be implemented in letter and spirit. One day you are right that the law was here since decades, and you should ask this question to PDP and MC why they didn't amend it, because this law is absolutely, it is not a good law. It seems to be against the fundamental rights of every citizen. So that is all why we want to amend it.
Okay, Sudhanshu Mittal has a question for you. Sudhanshu Mittal of BJP has a question for you. हाँ, पूछिए Sudhanshu.
Engineer Rashid Saab, do you or do you not believe in the law of land? Point is, when it is removed from the statute, it is removed.
But he
Else
was
as
beaten
time and
up
law
also,
exists on the
Sudhanshu.
statute.
Law of the
Allow
land
me,
didn't
allow me.
apply in the
Miss,
assembly today
allow me
either.
to speak.
The law of the
Miss,
land didn't
let us
apply
not
in the assembly
digress.
today.
Let us not digress. Let us not digress.
No,
We have
no,
already
it is
condemned
an
the beating
admission.
part of it. So why are you digressing? We are looking at the man who has defined the law of land. I'm asking him, does he or does he not believe in the law of land? You do not want him to answer that.
Of course I want him to answer,
just
but I'm
imagine,
asking you a
Rashid
question.
Rashid Saab, if the same thing would have happened, if you had Hindu MLAs holding pork parties, would you have liked it? Would it not have provoked you? Would you not have reacted? Are you wanting to say that in spite of the law of land, I shall provoke, I shall create communal disharmony because it's my fundamental right? Is this your case?
And
I think if that is your case, it's a perverse
Will
case.
you allow me to respond?
Okay, yes, respond.
Is Article 35A and Article 370 not a part of Constitution of India that you are keen then to abolish it? Number one. Number two, tell me one important thing. Go and check the MLA hostel. They are using majority of your MLAs are holding their parties where alcohol is being used like anything. I am witness. I will not lie. Please believe me in my integrity. So it is not like that. It is you people who are criminal. You killed Islam in
You have not answered my question. Two questions. Do you believe in the law of land or not?
You do talk about that, what happens in the assembly. You care only about cows. Why don't you care about human beings?
Sir, do you believe in the law of land or not?
Okay,
And secondly,
one minute.
if a Hindu MLA was to hold a pork party, would you like it?
He says,
If a Hindu MLA says, I will hold a pork party, would you like it?
Sudhanshu is answering by saying, Rashid Saab, अब एक minute. Rashid Saab, अब मुझे बोलने दीजिए. Sudhanshu, he's answering by saying that in that same hostel, there are MLAs who drink alcohol, which may offend his sensibilities, but he
I
doesn't
am
go.
talking about a pork party.
Okay,
Don't
so
tell me that.
let me put that to
If
Rana.
a
Can we
Hindu
get other
MLA
people
today
now?
pronounces-
Can we get other people now?
A Hindu
Rana
MLA
and Sanjay
says,
have been waiting
goes
to
hammer
speak.
and tongue.
अरे एक minute.
If a Hindu MLA goes hammer and tongue and says,
Rana,
I have held a beef
Sanjay Hegde,
pork
Sudhanshu,
party,
you've had
would you
your say
like
now.
it?
I must now ask Engineer Rashid the last comment from you. अब आप आगे क्या करेंगे? Today you were beaten up. The National Court. 1 minute. आज आपको बचाया गया बाकी MLAs ने. पिटाई हुई आपकी. अब आप आगे इस मुद्दे को खत्म करेंगे कि आगे भी इसको जारी रखेंगे?
No, I have no hatred for anybody. Whatsoever they did, they should ask their conscience if they did the right thing or wrong thing. I am worried about only one thing. If we had submitted a bill that was to be discussed today, the PDP, BJP government sabotaged it only to save their chair. We are for communal harmony, we are for tolerance. Even I have sympathy for those BJP MLAs. I think they were mentally sick and they attacked me. They should not have. I will make an appeal to the people of India that for God's sake, try to see what is happening in your country. Try to see what happened in Dadri.
Your country also.
Sorry, try to see what happened in Rajouri. Try to see what is happening in Kashmir. For God's sake, don't.
Does this
don't
panel
create an
endorse my
atmosphere where
appeal
you will see
of
again
condemning
Muslims
these such
coming and
elements
fighting
for
their right
creating
and you
communal
make it a very
disharmony?
ugly situation.